What is up, Madam Glam fam? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't said that in so long. We are here with another Madam Glam video, so it's only appropriate. A couple days ago, you guys may have seen that Madam Glam actually released new scented gel polishes. Oh my gosh, when I tell you, my face was literally like, sorry, I was literally like this when I found out they were coming out with gel polishes that were scented. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. So Madam Glam did send me all 4 colors of their scented gels. So I'm gonna show you guys the swatches, and then I'm gonna do a really quick nail set using these gels. I love these so much. I did a swatch video on my TikTok and my Instagram, so of course check there if you want to see that. I always post bonus content there that I don't post here. So thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me these gels. I enjoyed them so much, and you guys, I think you guys will enjoy it too if you like kind of like aromatherapy, because these are more of the aroma scents, like the eucalyptus or like rosemary. I think you guys will love it if you guys like that type of scent. So make sure you check them out. I'll have it in my description box below along with my coupon code. And then of course, Madam Glam is doing sales for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So make sure you take advantage, you guys. They got so many good stuff. They've been coming out with so many launches, and oh my gosh, I'm enjoying it so much. So this video is a little bit late. I haven't been feeling very well. It's like every single time I sit down at this desk here to film or do nails, I start getting a massive headache, and I just kind of have to stop and lay down. So it's been very difficult for me to film, let alone sit on a computer and edit. I'm sorry that this video is late. Okay, let me go ahead and show you these gels, and let's do a really quick fall nail look. All right, you guys, I just went ahead and I did the thumb off camera. I post those on my Instagram and my TikTok, so you can check there if you want, but I'm pretty much going to show you on another nail how to do this anyways. I've never done a plaid nail set before, and I really wanted to try it this time, so I just Googled like plaid designs, and I was able to find one that was pretty easy to replicate. I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the ring finger that I did with the thumb, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did that now. All I did was I took Rosemary Embrace and I added 2 coats of this. Actually, I think I only did 1 coat. I can't remember. I'm probably gonna do 2, we'll see. But like, as you can see, you really only need 1 coat. So I don't know, maybe we'll just stick with the 1 coat. I can smell this as I'm like applying the gel. When I first got these in the mail and I smelled them, I thought they were a very light scent, but the longer I work with them, the more it's like I can smell them easier. It's kind of weird. And I thought once you cured it, you wouldn't be able to smell it anymore, but that's actually not what happens. You can still smell it even after it's cured, and I love that so much. So as you can see, you only need 1 coat. Like, that is amazing. I love this so much. So then from here, I just took the white gel paint from Madam Glam as well, and I'm gonna make like a cross on one of the sides of the nails. And for this, I used the flat plaid brush from Madam Glam. I love this brush so much. I'm just gonna do it more off towards one side. On the thumb, I did it on this side, so I might do it on this side for here. No, I think I'll stick with this side. I'm also gonna take it right across the nail. Okay, so I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna go over it again with another coat. Okay, so I'm just gonna use Madam Glam's black gel paint and a really long liner brush, and I'm just gonna outline the white lines and then place a thin black line in between both of them. You know, guys, when I first found out about these scented gels, I was in shock. My jaw literally fell to the floor when I read that email. I was so excited. I thought initially that they were gonna be like a fruity scented gel. So when I got it in the mail and I saw that it wasn't, I think I was disappointed at first. Not really disappointed, but a little bit bummed. But now I'm happy that it wasn't, because I feel like if it was a fruity scent, it might smell too sweet and add to the amount of headaches that I already get. And I'm actually really enjoying the more like herbal scents that they picked. I really enjoy it a lot, and I hope that they bring out more of these because these are so cool. I don't know of any other brand with scented gels. If you guys know of any other brand, let me know, because I'm so curious. Did Madam Glam really do this first? Because if so, then good for you, Madam Glam. I am not surprised. I definitely don't do line work enough. I need more practice. Okay, now I'm gonna take spiced cinnamon. Such a really nice burnt orange. I guess it's like a burnt orange, huh? Like a really burnt orange. And I'm gonna use that for the other lines. Okay, so I just placed a line right above here. This one literally smells like one of those scented pine cones. It smells just like that. And I'm gonna do 2 lines down here. I almost forgot, you do need another line right here on this side, opposite from the white. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the matte top coat. I just think it looks so good with the matte finish. For these other nails, I think they would look so pretty if I did a full coat of the spiced cinnamon. So I'm gonna add a coat of this to the other 3 nails. Probably won't even need 2 coats, so. This one is probably my favorite out of the 4. This one and then the gray, but they're all very pretty. It smells so good, you guys. I'll just get like random whiffs of it. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Gosh, I love that color so much. I'm kind of debating if I want to do like just a diagonal plaid on these. I'm gonna try it out. If not, then I will start over and maybe just leave these blank. But I don't know, I'm kind of curious. So I'm gonna add the white, and I kind of want it like, I'm gonna have it going opposite. Okay, now I'm gonna take Rosemary Embrace, and I'm gonna use that since we're doing opposite basically. And I'm also gonna do a line diagonal here. Okay, I'm gonna cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the matte top coat. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know how I feel about that, you guys. I kind of liked the way it looked when these were just left just like that, even with the shiny. So I don't know, I might have to just do that. I might actually go back to making that shiny. Let me try that. I'm just gonna add the normal top coat. I have no idea where my no wipe top coat is, so this one you do have to wipe off the tacky layer. You know what, you guys? I mean, it's cute, but I think I'm just gonna X-nate on this one here, and I'm just gonna make it back into the solid color. I just liked it so much better when it was simple solid. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the top coat on all the rest of these nails. I really wish I knew where my no wipe was, because I like the no wipe better because, I mean, obviously you don't have to wipe it. So then it's more shiny than this one. When you wipe this one, I feel like you kind of lose some of the shine. Okay, here you go, you guys. I am definitely a lot happier leaving these plain. This is just so fall. I'm glad I finally was able to do a plaid design because I've been wanting to. I even have like a plaid stamping plate that I bought last year, but still have not used, but I'm glad I tried my hand at just freehanding it. But yeah, so this was the two colors that I used. Such a pretty combination. Wow, I'm in love. I'm kind of thinking of making the other hand and then just wearing these for a little while. I can still smell them even after I top coated it and everything. So if you're sensitive to smells, I don't know, maybe this is not going to be for you, because you will be able to smell them. You will get whiffs. It does linger a little. But if you're not sensitive to smells, or if you like more of the like aroma scents, then I think you will love these so much. Madam Glam, please come out with more, because I'm obsessed with these and I would definitely love to see what else you guys would come up with. I hope you guys like them too. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. Thank you again, Madam Glam, for sending me these gels. Make sure you check them out for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You guys know there's sales going on right now, so check them out. But of course, I'll have my discount code listed below as always. Thank you for watching and hanging out with me. I will see you guys next time. Bye.